For second semester student, my topic is detailed study of rat. In this session, we will study about morphology, digestive system and respiratory system of rat. Systematic position of rat. It belongs to the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata or Craniata, class Mammalia, subclass Eutheria, order Rodentia, genus Rattus, species Rattus. Rats are omnivorous because it feeds on grains, fruits and insects. Now let us discuss about the external structure of rat. The body has an exoskeleton formed by covering of the hairs. It is called pelage. It provides protection to the skin as well as insulation against loss of heat. The rat body consists of several regions. First one is head. Head is prolonged to form snout. It terminates in the nose, which contains nasal passages into which two external nostrils open on either side of external nostrils. Stiff hairs present called vibrissae, which is tactile organ very useful for nocturnal animal. It has a pair of ears with long flexible folds called pinnae. Rat is provided with a pair of eyes with the protruding cornea, giving a great deal of side vision. Eyes are protected with the eyelids and nictitating membrane. Head is connected to the trunk by short neck. Trunk is divided into thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Externally, it bears a pair of forelimbs and pair of hind limbs, external reproductive structure and opening of the digestive and excretory system. External reproductive structures and opening determine the sex of the rat. In the male, the scrotal sac projects posteriorly between the thighs beyond the base of the tail. Within this pouch lie the testes. In the mid-ventral line, anterior to the scrotum, find a small sheath of loose skin, the prepuce. During sexual excitement, the penis can be protruded through this opening. In the female, we find the vaginal opening. This will be seen between the anus at the base of the tail and the opening of urethra, which is more ventral. The mammary glands are usually 6 pairs, 3 in thoracic region and 3 in abdominal region. Tail is quite long, cylindrical and tapering structure that develops above the anus. It bears overlapping scales and sparse hair in between. Tail is used as a balancing organ. Digestive system in case of rat is a long tube inside the animal which starts with mouth and ends with anus and also associated with few glands. In rat, digestive system consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. First one is alimentary canal. It is highly coiled, elongated tube-like structure extending from mouth to anus. It is made up of following parts. First one is mouth. Mouth is anterior part of digestive system. Within the mouth, food is grinded up by mixing with saliva. Second one is vestibule. It is the space between cheek and the teeth used for temporary storage of food. Buccal cavity. This buccal cavity is the wide region which is lined by mucous membrane and consists of palate, tongue and teeth. The dental formula of teeth is incisor 1, canine is absent. It means that 0. Premolar is also 0, but molar is 3. That is 1003 equal to 16 is the dental formula of rat. The next part is pharynx. Pharynx is the common passage for both air and food. It is dividing into three parts, that is nasopharynx, oropharynx and laryngopharynx. Esophagus is a narrow tube located just behind the trachea. It connects buccal cavity with the stomach. Stomach is a bean-shaped sac. It is divided into anterior cardiac stomach and posterior pyloric stomach. Opening of esophagus into cardiac guarded by gastroesophageal sphincter. And then opening of pyloric stomach into duodenum is guarded by pyloric sphincter. Stomach contains goblet cells for secretion of mucus, oxyntic cells for secretion of HCl, and peptic cells for secretion of pepsinogen. Small intestine is a highly coiled, narrow tube-like structure. It is divided into three parts, namely U-shaped duodenum, straight jejunum, and coiled ileum. Ileum is provided with finger-like projections and microvilli. Villi increases the surface area of absorption. Large intestine is 15 to 20 centimeter long tube which is comprised of three parts, namely cecum, colon and rectum. Rectum opens to outside through an aperture called anus. It is situated at the base of the tail. It is guarded by anal sphincter valve. The digestive system associated with various glands like salivary gland, liver, pancreas, gastric glands and intestinal glands. Secretion of these glands help in digestion. There are three pairs of salivary glands. First one is parotid gland, submaxillary gland, sublingual gland. These three glands combine together and secrete the saliva. Saliva contains the enzyme is called salivary amylase. It helps in the digestion of carbohydrate. Liver is the largest gland of the body which is located in the upper right side of the abdominal cavity below the diaphragm. It is made up of 5 lobes. Liver secretes bile. It helps in the emulsification of fat. Here gallbladder is absent. Pancreas is the second largest gland located in the loop of the duodenum. It secretes pancreatic juice which contains digestive enzymes such as trypsin, chymotrypsin, pancreatic amylase and pancreatic lipase. Gastric glands are embedded in the wall of the stomach. These glands secretes gastric juice. The gastric juice contains HCl and the enzymes like pepsin and renin. The intestinal glands like Brunner gland and Lieberkühn crypt are present in the wall of the intestine. These glands secretes the intestinal juice that contains the digestive enzymes like maltase, sucrase and lactase. Respiratory system is a system in which gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange between the body and surrounding atmosphere. It is divided into two parts, respiratory tract and respiratory organs. Respiratory tract helps in the transportation of incoming air and outgoing air. It is made up of following parts like nostrils are two comma-shaped oblique slits which open near the tip of the snout. The right and left nasal chamber are partitioned by a nasal septum. They have three parts: anterior hairy vestibule, middle air conditioner, and posterior olfactory part. Pharynx is a common passage for both air and food. It contains a slit-like glottis which is covered by a bilobed flap called epiglottis. Larynx is a small semi-rigid expanded chamber made up of cartilage. It contains vocal cords. Trachea is elongated cylindrical tube-like structure which runs ventral to the esophagus. It is supported by C-shaped cartilaginous rings. It is commonly called as windpipe. Tracheae divided into two primary bronchi which pass into lungs. Inside the lungs, the bronchi branch and rebranch to form secondary and tertiary bronchi. They are supported by cartilaginous rings. This is the part where actual gases exchange takes place, in which a pair of large spongy pink colored lungs are present. A pair of lungs are present in the thoracic cavity. Each lung is covered by a double membrane sac called pleural sac with the outer parietal peritoneum and inner visceral peritoneum. Left lung is smaller and single lobed, while the right lung is larger and four lobed, namely anterior azygous lobe, right anterior lobe, right posterior lobe, posterior azygous lobe. Thank you.